Hi, welcome. I am so grateful to have the opportunity to share with you a little bit today about the Harrell Family Center for Behavioral Wellness. Here we are at Lakeland Regional Health. My name is Alice Nuttall. I am the Associate Vice President of Behavioral Health Services, and we have been on an incredible journey and process to be able to grow and add additional behavioral health services here at Lakeland Regional. Now, this is the waiting area where outpatients or families and visitors coming to visit inpatients are going to come and check in. It is a beautiful space where as people are here, they have the ability to see outside and natural light. Now, one of the things that we have had to do is really plan for safety of our team members and patients. In behavioral health, when we're dealing with patients, in the inpatient setting, there are a lot of safety and security parameters. However, one of the things that we never want a patient to feel is that they are constricted or that they are not have access to beautiful, nurturing, open space and nature. So we are very excited that each of our patients has access to a lovely courtyard. Incorporated into their treatment every day is the ability to get to the outside. This is our patient courtyard. We have 4 of these beautiful courtyards that services all 96 beds of our inpatient facility. We worked very hard with the construction, design, and landscaping teams to make sure that this space was both beautiful, sustainable, safe, and accessible on a daily basis to all the people that we serve within this building. Within these walls, every Wednesday morning, we have court. That includes the magistrate, the bailiff, the court reporter, the public defender, the physician, the treating staff, the patient, and whichever family or guardians or friends, support personnel, people that patient would like to include. So this room is vibrant and full of very good discussion, all focused on how to best help and care for that patient. Here we are within the Interventional Psychiatry Suite at the Harrell Family Center for Behavioral Wellness. And within this area of the facility, we treat people for treatment-resistant depression. Some of the services that we offer today are TMS, something that's called transmagnetic stimulation, and ECT, Electroconvulsive Therapy. Here we are in the Activity Center, almost like gymnasium at the Harrell Family Center for Behavioral Wellness. This is a really wonderful indoor space where people can move, we can have groups, meetings, educational events. And one of the things that it reminds me that I want to tell you about is some of the really cool specialty treatments and services that we have within behavioral health, such as animal therapy. We do things with music, art, we get outdoors, we move, we have a wonderful team of recreation therapists and an occupational therapist that helps our patients get better and regain their behavioral and mental wellness.
Sawyer works with me with canine assisted therapy by responding to cues of depression, anxiety, providing comfort. Often he will lay his head on someone's lap, or sometimes just his presence is soothing and helps people with the emotional processing of trauma.
Our therapy dogs at Lakeland Regional visit our patients in an inpatient setting, with the purpose being a therapeutic visit. In this therapeutic visit, the goal is to help with things like emotional regulation, decrease anxiety and depression, to help with processing while they're visiting us here at the hospital, and most of all, just to provide some comfort during their stay.
This is one of the units that we have yet to open, but will very soon. When all of our beds are open, we will have 96 beds. Of those 96 beds, about half of them are singles or individual rooms, and half of them are double person or 2 people per room. Every unit is separated into 12 bed units, and they all have access to a really nice day space like this, where they can have groups and gather. And then as you can see, that lovely courtyard right outside the other window and door. Now down the hall behind me, we actually have a dining room where, again, patients receive their meals there 3 times a day and snacks. We also have visitation in the dining room. And then further on the other end of the unit, we have a group room where we actually have members of the treatment team, such as the pharmacist, such as the chaplain with pastoral care, and our wonderful therapist and recreation therapist coming to do groups with our patients.
I want to tell you a little bit about the services that we offer in our outpatient clinic setting. So we have therapists, psychologists, and psychiatrists for adult and children and adolescents. You can access these services in person here at the Harrell Family Center for Behavioral Wellness, or if it's more convenient for you and you have an agreement with your provider, that you can have telehealth services which you can access from home, from your place of work, or wherever is convenient for you. We have a diverse group of providers that serves our entire community, that reflects the community that we serve. And if you have any questions or want to schedule an appointment, you can call us at 863-687-1222.